How's it going, everybody? Today is the day. Today is the day we're gonna test out the new kayak on its maiden voyage. We're gonna do a little review on it on the water, but today we're really gonna try and get a bass. It's early spring. I've only caught one so far, so the bass fever is real. As you can see, here's the kayak all ready to go. Shout out Smart Straps for the retractable ratchet straps. They are a game changer as far as loading up the bed. You don't have to deal with, straps all over the place. These things are freaking awesome. But yeah, so that's the deal. We're gonna go to a lake that I've only fished once before, and the only time I caught anything on it was a carp that I snagged on a kid's toy rod. So today should be interesting. Let's go to the lake. We're here at the lake. Let's see how this thing rolls. Oh man, like a dream. It is lightweight and it is modular, but I don't want to put it together every time, so let's go to the lake. Here we are, the real yak, baby. The maiden voyage, the vessel. I'm sick of talking about it and I am excited to try it out. So let's get in. Hopefully I don't fall. Ooh, baby. And we're off. Oh, might need to move that. So far, I don't see her leaking. So far, so good. I just need to take a second and, enjoy. I'm usually over there on the bank. Now I'm where I want to be. Whew. Put this paddle down. Should be deep enough for the propeller drive. Flip the rudder down. I gotta move the seat forward, but we're moving. It's pretty quiet. All right, so we're in the real yak. And I gotta say, so far so good. No leaks, that's always good. The pedal drive system is nice. It's quick and it's pretty quiet. I don't hear it at all going this speed. I could fully stand up very easily. And this thing is rock steady. Love that. We got the sonar going. Looks like there's some fish right underneath us. Let's throw the jig down there. It's only 10 feet deep. We got one. Hey! The first fish on the Kayak, baby. Dang, you are hungry. Swallowed the whole thing. Little shad, or like a white perch maybe, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. But we'll take it. Big old eye. It's official. The Kayak catches fish. Be free, little buddy. The GoPro died, but we got a bias. Healthy one too. We're gonna get a quick picture and measure with her and we'll send her back. But so far so good, guys. All right, goodbye, buddy. Thank you.
Why are we acting like animals? 'Cause I don't know what you like anymore.